So if you are pregnant, congratulations. The journey is interesting, to say the least. But when it comes to nutrition, it is a very front of mind, not only because I am a certified nutritionist, but because I want to make sure that I am taking care of my baby and taking care of my own body as well. Everything that I consume, the baby consumes. So I am making sure that everything I'm eating is going to be something that is going to provide nourishment for my body and for the baby to come. At the beginning, there were many food aversions, so it was a learning curve for me to understand that there were some things that I would have on a regular basis that I just couldn't consume anymore, but I always made sure there was a fruit and a vegetable, typically something seasonal, on a daily basis to make sure that I was consuming. Hydration has also been something that I've been learning a big part of. I've always stayed very well hydrated, but all of a sudden I am in demand of much more water. Not only, one of the first things I noticed was that my skin started actually to become a lot drier. My body was telling me that it needed more water, so hydration was key to making sure that I'm drinking plenty of water on a daily basis, because I am all of a sudden in need of double of what I was previously in need of before. Now that I'm in my second trimester, I am consuming all the foods that I used to consume, which are all real foods. There is no need to overindulge in anything at all. Just consume what your body truly needs. It will tell you what it needs and allow for you to really get the most out of your portions, so that you're not overeating and you're staying well within your range of fitness as well. I'm making sure that I'm staying consistent with exercise, and good quality sleep has been a wonderful delight over these last couple of months.